friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake Tower 500 mid tower chassis. So friend, Thermaltake has brings out the Tower 500 chassis black and snow edition, the first mid tower form factor in the tower series at the 2022 Thermaltake EXPO January virtual exhibition. And friend, inheriting the well-known vertically designed appearance below by user, the Tower 500 comes in the size of 608 into 388 into 388, which is the bigger than the Tower 100 mini tower chassis but smaller than the Tower 900 super tower chassis. And like other tower series model, it provides panoramic viewing by featuring 3-4 mm tempered glass windows at the front, left and right sides. And when the moderate size chassis has great hardware expandability, which is capable of fitting E-ATX motherboard, up to 8 3.5-inch HDDs and 355 mm long triple slot VGA cards, which is providing a wide range of opportunities when selecting cooling components, and including a 175 mm taller CPU cooler, up to 8 120 mm of 6 120 mm fans. And friend, other than that, both AIO cooling parts and DIY cooling configuration will fit, as the interior capacity allows user to place a 280 mm radiator on the top and 240 mm on the bottom. And when it will also easier for user to figure out how to route the tubes with the water block and radiator on the same sides of the chassis, thanks to the spacious integrated design. And friend, the powerful and gorgeous components will be well presented through the panoramic view. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.